What's up, you guys? Welcome back to SLM Work From Home. So I've been getting some questions about Arise.com. Arise.com, if this is your first time watching, is a company that you can partner with to work from home. So I have some people that had some questions, and I have the answers. One month. So the first question I'm going to answer is from Errol Cunningham Jr. He says, are you making decent money? So am I making decent money? Yes, I am. Now, what is decent money for you will differ, right? So if you're a student at school and you're in college, and the amount of money that you make that's decent for you is going to be different from the amount of money that a single parent that is working from home wants to make. The amount of money that a stay-at-home wife wants to make to supplement the income that goes into the family. The amount of money that maybe an artist, like a musician or anybody that wants to supplement the income that they're already making, or somebody that works a full-time job, has enough money to pay all their bills but doesn't have anything left over to, let's say, to save, to invest in other opportunities, to maybe save up for a house, or wherever they are on their money financial journey or whatever. So am I making decent money? Yes. For what I'm doing, yes. Will you make decent money? That depends on what your goals are, your financial goals are. All right, so the next question comes from Justin King. He says, when do I get to see the companies? Because I already signed up. I just didn't do my computer check. So I'm assuming you mean, when do I get to see the opportunities? I don't see the pay for those companies. So he's not seeing the companies, how much they pay, all the little details for the companies. So by you telling me that you haven't done your computer check, that means that maybe there are a few things that you didn't finish yet. I remember when I first signed up, I did like the bare minimum, and I wasn't able to see the opportunities, and that's what kind of scared me when I was signing up. Like, why am I not seeing the opportunities? But you got to keep going in the sign up process before you can see the opportunity/job board. The next question comes from Heidi Hansen. She says, I'm assuming it's a she. She says, can you make at least $1,500 monthly? And could you help me get started? So yes, you can make $1,500 monthly. So if you want to make $1,500 monthly, that would mean if we divide $1,500 divided by 4, so every week you would have to be making $375, which is easy. Let's say you choose the lowest. Let's say you choose a job opportunity that pays you $10 an hour. So $10 an hour times 37 and a half hours is $375. So you would be making $375 for the week, times that by 4, and that would be $1,500 a month. Now, you may want to work the full 40 hours just so you can be able to pay, if you have an IBO, so you want to be able to pay, pay the fee that your IBO charges. So depending on which IBO you sign up with, that's the fee you would be paying. And then also you have a fee to use the Arise platform, which is $19.99 each pay period. So that's like $40 a month. So you may want to work the whole 40 hours to cover that. But you can make $1,500 a month or more, depending on if you choose a client that pays more, or if you work more hours. So it's really easy. And it says, can you help me get started? Yes, I can help you get started. I have links below that you can click. You want to click that link below that says slmworkfromhome.com. Put in your information, and I'll send you information on how to get started. Or you can just call me, or you can text me on the number below. I also have some more work opportunities. These are just like business opportunities that you can get started on, because you can use Arise for a paycheck, but I want to show you like different ways that you can use Arise to make money. And there's a few different ways, but I'll do that video next. All right, so I hope I answered your questions. If you need more information, or if I didn't answer your question completely, you can call me or text me or email me. The information is down below. And once again, I just wish you guys good luck on whatever you decide. And I'll see you on the next video.